Okay, we're gonna do part 2. I got the other piece. Somehow I ended up with the incorrect one. Sorry, don't mind my dogs. I keep the dogs under here because then the creepy crawlies don't get me. Okay, this is the shark bite. We're installing the Toco SureFlow. And I have my plumbing. I have a valve so I can shut it off, move pumps. That one goes to the house. It's pretty, oops, pretty simple. Oh, I grabbed my channel locks. Screw this on. That's how it's gonna look. And then you'll take your 3/4 and shove it in there. These shark bites are nice because you don't gotta use all that plastic stuff. I know, guys. Just make sure nothing bites me under here. You want to make sure they're as tight as possible, but don't break the damn thing, because the move this. Try to get it tight, but I just worry because I've broken these before, so I don't do them too tight. Because it does take 3 days to get a new pump, sometimes 4. Okay. And then all you're gonna do is, with the shark bite, is you just shove it in there till it locks, and then